good evening, assorted social media. Just doing a quick video. Wanted to say today is going to be the start of a new kind of big project for me. I'm making a Witcher silver sword, as accurate as possible. Your boy can't afford a meteorite steel, but I got a big old chunk of leaf spring from one of my buddies. Thanks for looking out. And I'm going to film the whole process, show you guys how I do it. After I do all that, I'm going to get it silver plated so it has more authenticity, close to the games or the books or the Netflix show if you've seen it. Hopefully by the end of all of it, I'll have a really cool set of videos for you guys to follow and watch me, and maybe I can get it into the hands of a certain Witcher with my fingers crossed. It'd be really cool. So when we get there, but stay tuned, y'all. It's going to be a really fun build. Here we are, start of day 2. Didn't get a whole lot done day 1. It's a little bit more stretched out. Got a tang kind of started. Whole hell of a lot of work. I'm doing it as traditional as possible. So it's a lot of hand hammering, a lot of pumping the bellows, trying to get everything hot. It's been a hell of a lot of work. It's a big piece of steel. I'm probably not going to need all of it realistically. I just want to make sure I'm good before I start cutting anything off. Hello and welcome to day 3, which is sword build. Today is actually going to be more forging. Hopefully we get something more done. For starters though, before I go anywhere, I'm going to cut this whole behemoth down about like 10 inches or so about here. Turned out it's a lot more steel than I thought I would need. I just wanted to be sleek with it, you know, don't want to have a chance of messing it up or anything. So we're going to cut it down a little bit, hammer it down a little, draw it out some more, hopefully have something to semblance of a sword. And here we are, end of day 3. Got a decent amount done. Got a, I think 11-inch tang. It's got to dry it out a little bit more. Part of the blade is somewhat forged out. Got to dry out the rest. It's still really thick all the way down here. And it's not really thin up here either. But that'll be the end of day 3. Probably be the end of this video too. And hopefully I can get a new camera soon. It kind of sucks doing this off my phone. So we'll see. And like always, stay creative.